like probably half of it's your hair.
I'm sure.
Look at this. I got 25 pounds on top of your head.
Yeah, I'm recording. Eating food.
Say something about Mexico. No, sorry.
Mikey's
I'll tell you when to turn around.
With this little stomach.
Right there.
Did you see that video?
I didn't get to see it.
Yeah.
My phone don't get video.
Yeah.
Oh, crud.
Yeah.
Here.
You have a hard time just looking like it?
What are your comments on Jason?
I want him to be obvious about it. I know, but...
Jason, what do you have to say to the YouTube?
Yeah, I know.
What do you have to say to the YouTube world?
What's up, YouTube?
Hello.
Yeah, Jason. Yeah, Jason.
I knew when you just went up there, something was going on.
I was gonna put it.
Went up there talking to Caleb. I
He's
thought,
recording that guy.
How do you feel that you just been punked?
you just got punked. With friends like you guys, I don't need enemies.
Only in America. Only in America, right? Only in America. Yeah, we're riding it. We're right. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah,
Right there,
that sounds dirty.
He's speeding up.
Wow.
Cheers, America.
I mean, like, I thought someone was in your back seat, man.
I thought somebody was in your back seat. We're trying to help you out.
He's
There's a
gonna.
zombie back there.
Oh, this.
Good job, Mikey.
I want to cause him to get in the record, though. He's gonna. He did it. Like a strobe light.
Look at him. He's doing it now.
For all of you that want his license plate number, here, give it. It's
Look at him bumping his brake.
Yes, license. You can't see it, dang it. I was gonna give you his license plate number. You can go get him.
Look at him. He's pumping his brakes in a place that doesn't even make no sense. Pass him. No, I'm not joking. I'm joking.
I was going to, but there's a hill.
Yeah, there's a hill.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. Get right on his butt if he's gonna slow down that much. Now look up on his license. I bet you can see it now.
Caution lights. Move it, old man!
Shut that driver, this is America! Why does he got his hat just on? And what the hell are we listening to?
Listen to static. Static electricity, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Why is it 1017 coming in?
I don't know. I can't find anything good on it.
Well, that's there what you call a good American fun. Wake up.
Wake up, Jason. Get up, boy. This is Jason sleeping on the couch with no cushions.
Somebody stole them.
He ain't got no covers or no cushion. He's been sleeping here like a hobo.
I feel naked.
That's what she said. Get up.
Leave me alone.
Wake up.
I didn't sleep.
Feeding a pansy.
Let's go see what Mikey and Webby are doing. I want to follow David like the camera's part of his head. Got up and looked at Webby.
Yeah.
That's right. We mess with people when they're asleep.
Yep.
America.
Look at this. He doesn't got any cover. We took all of his cover and pillows, and he's like using like everything he can find. I'll show you where we put all this stuff at. All that. We took all that from him. He can no longer sleep. Sweet dreams.